this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to do a fall floral glittery manicure. I've got 5 black nails before me. That is by David & Bottle from Fallicious. I love this black, it is my fave. It is just so smooth and one coat coverage. So yeah, we're going to do foil, glitter, bling. So I'm going to start with my glitter first. Whoops. I'm going to take my glue gel by She Modern. I'm going to put that on the nail first. We're going to go side to side. I'm going to stick this in the lamp for a few, about 30 seconds worth. I hear a motorcycle outside. It's kind of odd for this time of the morning, but whatever. People gotta get to work. I like to film in the middle of the night, in the wee hours of the morning, because everybody's sleeping. This is mama's time. That's when I like to do it. Just win. So I'm now going to move these out of the way. I'm going to start here at the bottom and add my bling. Let's see here. So I want this glitter is called Make Believe. It was made by Tammy's Nannies. And I want to get like a little bit of everything on it. There is Make Believes in here. Let me locate. Whoops. A lot of hexies. I see one. Nope. That wasn't it. There we go. There's a Maple Leaf. Had to have it. Gotta get full coverage here. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. I greatly appreciate it. Whoops. Please ring the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. See how pretty that is. Tammy, you made a beautiful mix here, honey. I'm gonna hurry and top coat this. Well, let me stick this back in the lamp for just a few. With the glitter and the pigments, I always do this in my mind. It helps adhere it back into the glue, so to speak. It works for me, so it's what I do. In this video, there are some PR items being used. I'm not gonna say what from here to there. I'm gonna take some Eye Gel Beauty, which this I did purchase, and top coat the glitter. Top coat it really well. You don't want nothing sticking up. I'm probably going to top coat this twice. Just cause. Okay, so now we are going to go on to our foils, which are going to be these two puppies right here. I am using Imethod Salon Quality. I do love this product. Nail foil glue. I forgot to turn my lamp on. let there be light. I like this product a whole lot. I like using this one or Marquette. I say Marquette. Marquette. I do love their foil glue as well. So you want to coat your nail really, really well. That way there are no spots left open. You want to do this to both your nails that you're going to put the foil on. Side to side. I'm going to stick these puppies in the lamp. And we'll be right back. While that is curing for a smidge, this is the foil that we are going to be using. And how it is a hollow Erica. This is beautiful. This is from Charlie's nailart.co.uk. I am a brand ambassador for the company. You can use my code and save 10% off. And my code is NailedIt10. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen. Also, it is down below in the description box. Take your foil and apply it. I like to smooth down. And rub it a dub. Like a baby in a tub. Rub, rub, rub. Make sure you get your sides. Up your cuticle area. You're going to slowly peel the foil off. And as you see, we got full coverage. Look how beautiful that is. That is just beautiful. Going to get our other, this is the index finger here. Line your foil up how you want it. Rub, rub, rub. Maybe like a rubber ducky in the tub. I always say that rub, 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 baby in a tub. I don't know. It sounds good to me. Another perfect transfer. Beautiful. I'm loving this. So let me see. Yeah, because of this leaf on the corner, I didn't want to lay down, and I knew I was going to have to do this. So I am going to get my file here and kind of file that down. That's why I knew I would have to top coat again. Rub, rub, rub. Oh, I think it top coat again. How are those looking? What do you think so far? I think they're beautiful. Wipe one side of your brush off real well. I think this is turning out very nice. Very, very nice. We're going to top coat some of the other nails and move on to the bling. Hope everybody's having a great day. a great evening wherever you are in this part of the world, what time it is for you. I hope it's great for you. So now we're moving on to the pinky finger, and we are going to top coat our nail and add some bling. I just shifted everything. Alright. Oh, the itty bitties. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I hope you can see. Another itty bitty. I'm going to slowly pop this baby in the lamp. Give us a nice cure. Can't remember if I put it on this nail or not. I'm probably out of frame, aren't I? Okay. Get our itty bitties. Gotta get these puppies to flip over. Oops. Okay, one more. One more. Here we go. We're gonna slide this one in the lamp. Whoops. Actually, we're going to put all these in together. Our manicure is complete. I think this turned out really pretty. I'll put it in for 60, clean my mess up some, and we will be right back. Our back out of the lamp. We are finito with our manicure for today. I think this turned out really pretty. Love, love, love it. This is nice and smooth with the glitter. We got our 2 foil nails here and our bling. And it's hollow. Hollow, Erica. Whoops, I almost dropped it. Whoopsie. Well, this is the conclusion of our video. Thank you for being here with me. Subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. That has to do with analytics and everything, and whether if you want to see more content of mine. So please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what you think of my beautiful fall manicure today. Have a blessed day, and thank you.